Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Egusi soup is probably one of the most beloved and versatile Nigerian dishes, celebrated for its rich, savory flavor and hearty texture, making it a staple in many households and a must-try for anyone exploring West African cuisine. This iconic soup, characterized by its distinctive ground melon seeds, offers a delightful culinary experience that can be customized with various meats, fish, and vegetables, ensuring a unique and satisfying meal every time. Its comforting warmth and complex taste profile make it an ideal choice for gatherings, special occasions, or simply a delicious everyday meal that embodies the vibrant spirit of Nigerian cooking. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 12-cup stack and snap food processor 70725A. Tired of complicated food processor assembly? Our innovative stack and snap technology makes putting it together a breeze, with no difficult twists or locks required. Handle big jobs with ease thanks to the generous 12-cup sealed bowl. It locks in food, preventing messy leaks and spills for a cleaner kitchen. Save valuable time with the big mouth chute. It's designed to fit whole ingredients like potatoes and tomatoes, minimizing the need for pre-cutting. From slicing and shredding to chopping and pureeing, this appliance does it all. It comes with 2 versatile attachments to handle all your food prep needs. With a robust 450-watt motor, it quickly powers through tough ingredients. Plus, suction cup feet keep it stable on your countertop during use. Create fresh, healthy meals for your furry friends. You can control ingredients and portions to perfectly suit their dietary needs. Cleanup is a snap. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and all food zones are BPA-free for your safety and convenience. What we like? This appliance offers unparalleled ease of use with its innovative stack and snap technology, making assembly a breeze. Its generous 12-cup sealed bowl means you can handle larger batches without worrying about leaks. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen tool that simplifies prep work and can handle big jobs, this is the one for you. What people say. The Egusi soup is a rich and flavorful dish, made with high-quality ingredients that give it an authentic taste. This Egusi soup features a generous amount of assorted meats and fish, ensuring a satisfying and hearty meal. The soup has a smooth and creamy texture, with a perfect balance of spices that enhance the natural flavors of the Egusi. Number 4. Chef LILIAN'S Egusi Kit. Embark on a culinary journey to West Africa with this authentic Nigerian food kit. Experience the rich and savory taste of traditional Egusi soup, made easy for you. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need to create a delicious Egusi soup for up to 4 servings. It features ground melon seeds, dehydrated spinach, and a blend of authentic seasonings. We've carefully selected premium ingredients, including flavorful seasoning cubes and a touch of hot pepper powder for that perfect kick. Enjoy the convenience of a complete meal solution. Creating a taste of Nigeria has never been simpler. Just follow the easy steps to prepare a hearty and satisfying Egusi soup that will impress your family and friends. Bring the vibrant tastes of West Africa right into your kitchen. This kit is your passport to enjoying a beloved Nigerian delicacy with ease and authenticity. What we like? This kit provides all the essential ingredients for an authentic Nigerian Egusi soup experience, perfectly portioned for 4 servings. It takes the guesswork out of gathering hard-to-find items. If you're craving the rich, traditional taste of Egusi soup and want a quick, hassle-free way to prepare it, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The Egusi soup has a rich and authentic flavor profile, reminiscent of traditional homemade soups. The texture of the Egusi seeds is well balanced, providing a satisfying mouthfeel without being too gritty. It contains a good blend of vegetables, adding nutritional value and a pleasant contrast to the Egusi. Number 3. Egusi Grind. Tired of the tedious task of grinding Egusi? Introducing the Egusi Grind, your new kitchen essential for perfectly ground Egusi every time. This innovative grinder significantly reduces your preparation time. Spend less time grinding and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Achieve a smooth and consistent texture for your Egusi paste with ease. It ensures your soups and stews have the perfect consistency. Designed for convenience, it's incredibly simple to operate. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. Elevate your culinary skills with this must-have kitchen tool. It's the perfect companion for anyone who loves cooking traditional African dishes. What we like? This product offers the convenience of pre-ground egusi, saving you the effort of grinding it yourself. It ensures a consistent texture for your soup every time. If you value speed and ease in your cooking, and want to achieve a smooth egusi base without the extra work, this is the perfect ingredient for you. What people say. The egusi soup has a rich and authentic flavor profile, reminiscent of traditional homemade Nigerian cuisine. The texture of the egusi seeds is perfectly ground, providing a smooth yet slightly granular consistency that enhances the overall eating experience. It contains a good balance of ingredients, including well-seasoned meat and vegetables, making it a complete and satisfying meal on its own. Number 2. Chef LILIAN'S Riro Kit. Experience the rich flavors of Nigeria with this authentic Riro soup kit. It brings the taste of West Africa right to your kitchen. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to create a delicious soup. From pepper mix to dehydrated spinach, all the essential ingredients are provided. We've carefully selected premium ingredients like iru, locust bean, crayfish, and hot chili powder. You'll also find perfectly portioned seasoning cubes and dehydrated spinach. Making traditional Riro has never been easier. Follow the simple instructions for a flavorful meal ready in no time. This pack conveniently serves up to 5 people. It's perfect for family dinners or when entertaining guests. Enjoy the authentic taste of West African cuisine with this easy-to-use soup mix. It's a delightful culinary journey in every bowl. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for making authentic Riro, a popular West African soup, and includes unique ingredients like iru, locust beans. It provides a complete set of authentic flavors for a delicious meal. If you're looking to explore the diverse flavors of West African cuisine and want to create a traditional Riro with ease, this kit is ideal. What people say. The egusi soup is a rich and flavorful dish, perfect for any occasion. Made with high-quality ingredients, this egusi soup offers an authentic taste of West African cuisine. The soup has a thick, satisfying consistency and a delightful aroma that will tantalize your taste buds. Number 1. Egusi Whole 8 ounces. Discover the rich flavor of Egusi Whole, now available in a convenient 8-ounce package. It's perfect for adding authentic taste to your favorite dishes. Experience the true taste of Africa with our premium egusi seeds. They are carefully selected to bring you the best culinary experience. This versatile ingredient can be used in a variety of traditional and modern recipes. Elevate your cooking with its unique texture and nutty flavor. We pride ourselves on the quality of our products. Our Egusi Whole is processed to maintain its freshness and nutritional value. The 8 ounces packaging is ideal for both small households and culinary experimentation. Enjoy the convenience without compromising on quality. Add a depth of flavor and a satisfying texture to your soups, stews, and other savory dishes. It's an essential for any African cuisine enthusiast. What we like. This option provides whole egusi seeds, allowing you to grind them fresh for the most intense flavor and aroma. You have complete control over the texture. If you are a purist who enjoys the process of preparing ingredients from scratch and desires the freshest possible egusi flavor for your soup, this is the premium choice. What people say. The egusi soup is rich and flavorful, with a good balance of spices that make it taste authentic. The texture of the soup is perfect, not too thick or too watery, and it contains generous amounts of assorted meats and fish. It's a convenient option for a quick and delicious meal, saving time on preparation without compromising on taste. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.